colossal swing to send this bull soaring. Down onto the...
Huh?
Wait a minute! Oh my god, the power's out! No!
Aw, jeez.
What are we gonna do now?
Some say we could light some candles and read.
We could tell stories. Like we remember that time our mom read us our first bedtime story before we moved here. But now that we're grown and now we don't know what that story mom read to us as toddlers.
I'm not sure staying open is safe. Suppose the hurricane tears right through here.
I'll chance it.
You darn kids, get off my property!
This is a story of love and loss. Fathers and sons. And the foresight to retain international merchandising rights. This is the story of Star Wars. Let's begin with part 4.